Hi everyone, I'm Gülce from Turkey, aka Hadi Oyna on TinyTap. I want to thank TinyTap for supporting me on these hard times that we are all experiencing. I had to close my private clinic on Corona period and had hard times financially. And then I started to make more and more games on TinyTap, which kept me busy also. Um, and then I earned more than I could think, so that I could pay all my bills and yeah, I I really want to thank everyone who is working for TinyTap. Um, I really appreciate your support, and I'm so happy to be a part of this, creative team. Yeah, I also recommend every teacher on TinyTap to make more games, to reach more families, and also to earn a considerable amount of money. Thank you, TinyTap, for being there. Love you all.